What's going on, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode here at the J&A Life. It's your boy Jerry. So you guys see it. The last video, see my nephew bring the black coupe here, dismantle the whole thing, completely gutted it out, sent it off the scrap, pulled the motor. You've seen him paint the motor, draw it up. And at the very end of that vlog, you've seen this unit show up. And you've seen him and my buddy pull that motor while I was on the road. So we're picking up where we left off, guys. This is the next vlog, part 2, if you say, of the 4-door sedan going VTEC. Yay! Follow the channel, you know that we are Honda lovers here. We love VTEC. So, but yeah, guys, this is going to be finally installing this a new heart in my nephew's sedan. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're not subscribed, smash the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a thing. Smash the like as well, helps the channel out a lot. And don't forget to activate the bell icon down below to get notifications whenever we drop something new on the channel. And content is going to be dropping non-stop, boys. We've got this, still got this guy back here, and as y'all know, we got the hatch as well. So content is going to be dropping non-stop. But yeah, boys, I'm gonna quit rambling, and we're gonna get on with this this build. Be back with y'all. We'll push it if we need to go further back. We'll run some heat in here.
I just didn't want to go too far back. Couldn't see if had more headers, so I thought.
You see all the room we have? If you ain't have all that stuff right there.
That fucking shit right there.
Hey, I'm recording.
Hey, now I'm recording.
All right, guys, just going to knock this rear mount or T-bracket, pull the 17mm bolt that holds it to the actual rear motor mount. With a 14mm, it's got 3 bolts holding it to the subframe. We're just gonna go ahead and take those off. All right, boys. Now with the old, and with the new, Bull Boost Performance, baby. Not sponsored. Wish we was, but we not. But yeah, I think my nephew did pretty good with those. Pretty affordable price. Definitely get my approval. All right, you got bolts for these? All right, boys. see the drip. Full boost performance. All right, boys, you see it? We're doing this kind of like the old school ways we used to do it in parking lots. My nephew Punky, he knows what I'm talking about if he's watching. Shout out to him. But yeah, boys, we're doing it this way because we don't want to ruin the paint job. And I have not yet seen one swap where they don't bust it up, putting it in through the top. So we're just gonna get everything situated, and I might get you on a time lapse, I don't know. And right here, guys, you see us using an engine hoist to lift the engine up, being that my nephew wasn't able to pick up an engine cart. The engine wasn't sitting quite high enough for us to do it this way. So we had to use the engine hoist to lift it up. And that explains what we're doing here, boys, if you're wondering. Yeah, I know. You just crank on it again. That shit look wild. We're all fucked up. And now, boys, you see us bleeding the coolant system and trying to work out the bugs that we're having. Got a few misses, but this is the process, guys. You have to trust the process. So we're getting there, getting them all worked out one by one. Let's get it, boys. Most of the bugs worked out. Just got to wire up an O2 sensor. My wife's working on that. But we finna go out for the first test ride, boys. Let's get it. This thing was automatic, boys. Went under complete transformation. Feels good too. Solid boost. What is it? Bull Boost performance mounts. I can feel them too, boy. Vibrating. It's not a terrible ride. It's not a terrible vibration. It's just when you give it gas, it feels beefy. I like it. You need gas, bud.
No. I was trying to go that way. I was gonna go this way.
You can go either way you want. Just don't run out of gas. Third. Fourth. Oh. All right, boys. With my nephew. Stopped here to get some gas. But yeah, guys, check out the hat. Wifey picked this joint up for me yesterday at the Honda dealership in Harrisonburg, hometown. She got it on a deal, like 26 bucks. She had to get it for daddy. So shout out to the wifey. But yeah, just waiting on my nephew to get some fuel. And we're gonna take it on a little spin, boys. Be back with y'all. Successful build, guys. Show you this little spot up here. Strong, vibrates you all the way down to your toes. All right, boys, that's going to do it for this video. As y'all can see, we got other projects coming up. That's going to do it for this video for my nephew Will's car. Everything worked out great in his favor. It was a total success. $400 purchase on a complete 2000 coupe. Turned out to be great for him. Converted his car over to manual. Everything worked out great. Praise God. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below. Like I always say, I love you all. God bless you all. Till the next one, boys. We out.